Designer supports dual monitors both for designing and presenting to the clients. Any change you make in the photographer view will be instantly updated in the client view. And when entering preview mode, the same will happen on the client view. Additionally, when entering the actual size view, the same will happen in the client view. You can calibrate by using this button here. You can also use dual monitors when you are designing. You can drag from one screen to the other easily to design from a full image browser view down to the design view so you can view your spreads. Many users prefer this as it gives you two options to view all of the images as well as the design. In order to set up dual monitor mode, click Settings and then go to your Display section, or from a Windows machine, click the settings and use the extended monitor. Simply open up the client view window or the image browser window and drag on to your second monitor. If you prefer, you can also go full screen on the second monitor.